Hello guys, welcome to another one. So for this one we are doing speed effects. The first thing I want to do here is to make my background into a solid color. So I'll do that by coming to this side on my adjustment layer. Hit the adjustment layer, then click on solid color. Alright, so our color is set to black now. I want to push it up to be something a little bit off-white, like so. And I'm going to hit OK. Alright, so this layer is at the top. I want to push the layer down. Good. Alright, so my subject is looking like he's like floating, sort of. So I'm going to create a shadow to the tip of his feet here. Alright, so to do that, I'm going to click on this new layer. I'll rename this layer to be shadow. So we start creating that shadow. You hit your brush here. So because the shadow is going to be a flat surface, we need to change this brush setting to be a flat surface. So I'll come to this side here. I will collapse this from the top like so. No, I like that. From the top like so. I'll move it down like this. Yes. Alright. So we begin to add that shadow to the tip of his feet. Okay. Alright, so I'll reduce this side here. Okay, so if your brush for some reason is a little bit harsh, you want to reduce your flow here. Alright, so just work on your flow, reduce it from 100% to something 18, 20. Alright, so I'll hit OK for now. We are going to work with this. So I'm going to jump straight into the speed effect. Right, so I'm going to click on this, my subjects here, and I'm going to duplicate in Ctrl J for that. So I'm going to select the one under, that's under this one at the top. So on that selection, I want to jump to filter, blur, then motion. So after hitting motion blur, you want your distance to be 400 and your angle 0. I'm going to click OK for that. So I can see the effect affecting the front side of this design, and I don't want that. So to remove that, what I'm going to do is to, on this layer, click on layer mask down here. So I'm going to add a new layer mask to that image. I'm going to come to my brush. Don't forget our brush setting is, it's flat. So you come back here and increase the size of that, then dab this up. Okay, so you begin to clean this off. So this is feeling too slow. So increase that. I'm going to come back to my flow, increase the strength of the flow, then take it off like so. Okay. Alright, so this is good for me. Alright, so but the blur is feeling too light. So to increase the strength of that blur, I don't need to go back to motion blur. So on that layer, just Ctrl J again, and then we have this. Alright, so this was our before, and this is after. Before and after. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace.